So this is your worksheet. So to create another worksheet to this worksheet, so what is a worksheet? Worksheet is like your different page in Microsoft Word, is like a different slides in the PowerPoint. So when you want to categorize your work into different segments, you can use your worksheet, different worksheets to do that. Now to create extra worksheet, you click on this plus sign. So another worksheet has been created, or you right click on this your creation sheet and write insert sheet, then that another sheet will be created. Now what can you do with this your sheet here? You can rename your sheet also by right click on it. Also click on rename class 1. You can rename it as class 1. Then if you are done with that one, you can rename this one too. You can rename it as class 2. So that is about the name of your class. Then when you right click also, you can delete a sheet. Then there's you can color a sheet. I can color this one and I can color this one again. Right click on it, you see tab color. You can see it any color you want. So that is it. Then also one aspect about your worksheet here is that you can move or copy. What am I expecting move or copy? Let's assume that you have a sheet like this, or my recent file, and you have something like this here, which is open. Now this is open. Now what you want to do here was to copy this one to another fresh sheet, this page to another fresh sheet. What can you do to it? You can right click here and say move or copy. Then where do you want to copy it to? Is it on your, or is it at the end of this thing, which is class, okay, or assignment over here? If it's there you want to copy it, you create a copy and create okay. So now it will create another this. So this has been duplicated into another place there. Now in another place whereby you can actually copy it to a existing new worksheet or a new workbook. How do you do that? Right click again, move or copy. Then you can now click here. You can click here. So it will shows you the name of the worksheet that are open here. This is a book 1 that has opened that I'm using to show you, and this is a new workbook. In case you want to have a fresh Excel workbook, you can click here and click to copy. It will create a new Excel workbook. But let me assume that I want to put it on this same book 1. So that same book 1, that's why I have class or 1, class or 2 that I opened before now. So I can click it on move to the end of it. Let's see like that and press OK. So it will be moved to the end of this aspect. So you have class of 1, you have class of 2, you have the assignments which are copied from a fresh worksheet, and you copy it. One of the advantage of this aspect of move or copy is because it will copy it exactly the way your sheet, your cell is. It will not you don't need to start adjusting the width, the column, the cell again. If you are using Ctrl A and Ctrl C, so from this right now on this aspect is address bar, which is you have a formula bar.